Hey members, Jordan from the course maintenance team, just giving you an update on what's been going on the last 3 months with construction, where the new 12th and 13th greens have been seeded and they're growing in nicely. They're about 8 weeks into their growing. The new 13th fairway has been reshaped. That will be sprigged on next Monday, and the sprigs will be taken from the 8th fairway. And then also the 6th or the 13th, new 13th tees will be built next week, and the cart path will continue onto the fairway there. The team from Dad and Dave's Turf are here today, and they've finished turfing the new 11th surrounds and the 8th surrounds, and those greens were also seeded last week, so hopefully the next week or two we'll start to see a bit of growth on them. Next area they'll be heading to is the new 2nd green, which is just behind our current 13th ladies tee. They'll be in there for a couple of weeks reshaping that green, and the new 3rd tees, which is the current 13th hole. They'll be shaping them tees as well at the same time. The 7th and 15th holes they're probably 16 weeks into growing in. They're all coming along nicely. As you can see behind us, we're out at 15. Those greens are down to 3 mil, and we'll just keep looking after them, getting them ready until we can open them up. Also, the 8th green and surrounds and 9th tees will be turfed today. Thanks members, that's just a little bit of what's been happening here at Newcastle Golf Club over the last few weeks. Look forward to speaking again soon.